1. The origins. The scene opens on a dusty plain in Algeria amidst scenes of old battles. A voiceover explains the origin of the French Foreign Legion in 1831 by King Louis-Philippe. It was formed to absorb foreign deserters and mercenaries after the July Revolution, illustrating France's colonial ambitions. 2. A motley crew cuts to present-day France at a Legion recruitment center. Recruits hail from diverse backgrounds, from a farmer in Brazil to a former banker in Japan. The narrator explains how the Legion became a refuge for men seeking new beginnings or running from past lives. 3. Rigorous training. Deep in the Pyrenees, recruits endure harsh training. The clip captures men marching through rain and snow, learning survival skills, and fostering camaraderie. The training not only tests physical stamina, but mental resilience, forging a brotherhood among soldiers. 4. Camouflage and stealth. In a dense forest, Legionnaires practice blending into their environment. The scene highlights the importance of silence and precision in covert operations, necessary skills for missions worldwide. 5. Historical battles. Flashbacks to notable battles like the ground-shaking Battle of Cameron in 1863. A small force of Legionnaires holds off a much larger Mexican army, showcasing their discipline and bravery. This event is celebrated annually as a testament to the Legion's unwavering resolve. 6. Peacekeeping duties. Cut to a modern scene of Legionnaires on a peacekeeping mission in a war-torn African nation. They help build infrastructure and protect civilians, illustrating how their role has evolved beyond traditional combat to humanitarian efforts. 7. Legion codes. A close-up of a Legionnaire reciting the Legion's code of honor. Legio Patria Nostra. The Legion is our homeland. These codes emphasize loyalty, sacrifice, and honor above all, guiding principles for every Legionnaire. 8. Remote deployments. Legionnaires are shown parachuting into remote areas. As a rapid reaction force, they are often the first to respond, whether it's a conflict zone or a humanitarian crisis, demonstrating their versatility. 9. Tough on the inside. In a personal interview, a Legionnaire reflects on leaving his past behind. His eyes speak of resilience, and the camera captures his pride in wearing the uniform, revealing the emotional transformation many undergo. 10. Traditions of the Legion. Flares of cultural richness at the Legion's headquarters in France, where Legionnaires from different backgrounds celebrate traditional events like Cameron Day. This mix enriches the Brotherhood with diverse traditions. 11. Roles within the ranks. Behind the scenes, look at various roles such as medics, snipers, and engineers. Each Legionnaire contributes uniquely, their skills critical to the Legion's multifaceted missions. 12. The impact of loyalty. Highlight a scene where a Legionnaire risks his life to save a fellow soldier. Loyalty is more than just a word. It forms the core of their operations as they depend on one another unconditionally. 13. Uniform and symbolism. A focus on the iconic white kepi and the green and red epaulets of the Legion uniform. This attire sets them apart, symbolizing their unique identity and history. 14. Life after service. An intimate look at Legionnaires who have retired, reintegrating into civilian life. Many carry the discipline and skills from their service, contributing positively to society. 15. Training facilities worldwide. Scenes from Legion training centers worldwide show specific training for diverse climates and terrains, from deserts to jungles, emphasizing their global reach and readiness. 16. Brotherhood of languages. The diversity of the Legion creates a melting pot of languages. The daily life of a Legionnaire involves communicating across language barriers, fostering a unique camaraderie. 17. Living conditions. A look inside the barracks, highlighting the Spartan lifestyle of Legionnaires. This simplicity helps eliminate distractions, focusing on their mission and values. 18. Handling weapons. A detailed demonstration of the Legion's extensive weaponry and training exercises. Mastery over these tools is crucial to their effectiveness in combat. 19. Espionage and intelligence. Scenes depict Legionnaires gathering intelligence, a key component of their modern strategic missions, ensuring success even before battles commence. 20. The Spirit of Sacrifice. A visit to a memorial dedicated to fallen Legionnaires. Narration honors their memory, emphasizing the ultimate sacrifice many make in service. 21. Humanitarian aid. Focus on the Legion's involvement in disaster relief, showcasing their capacity to aid in rebuilding efforts and supporting communities globally. 22. Celebrations and commemorations. Events at Legion bases showing large-scale celebrations and ceremonies, reinforcing the sense of honor and community among soldiers. 23. Life on the front line. An intense scene of Legionnaires in a conflict zone, illustrating the high stakes and immediate dangers they face regularly as soldiers without borders. 24. From strangers to brothers. The transformation of diverse recruits into a cohesive unit. The bonds formed in shared hardship illustrate the Legion's power to turn strangers into a family. 25. Medical teams in action. In a remote clinic set up by the Legion to provide medical aid, doctors and nurses treat civilians and soldiers, highlighting their humanitarian roles. 26. Environmental awareness. Footage of Legionnaires undertaking reforestation projects. The Legion's role now extends to preserving and restoring the planet alongside its security mission. 27. Modern challenges. Discussion among officers regarding the changing nature of global threats and how the Legion adapts to meet these without losing its core values. 28. The March. Iconic footage of the long treks known within the Legion as marches. These grueling hikes in different terrains build endurance and remind members of their history. 29. Changing faces. A montage of faces over the decades, showing the Legion's evolving inclusivity policy. Every recruit, despite their background, shares a common goal under one flag. 30. Recruitment appeals. Promotional clips inviting potential recruits to join, emphasizing the opportunity for a new beginning and the allure of adventure under the Legion's banner.